Hey guys, so here's another bunch of code I have in my main script. Now these are just HotStrings, but they're a little special compared to what I normally do. They are, in my example here, they're shortcuts to folders that I use frequently. Of course, you could have a shortcut to a file as well. And how I typically use them is I'll be in a dialog box like this. Let me move it over here a little. And let's say I want to navigate to my images folder. I can hit p. Now watch, I-M-A-G, and now the second I hit E, it triggers, it sends a text, sends a return, basically hits enter for me and navigates to that folder for me, right? So this is why I do these a little differently than my normal ones. Normally I don't use a star here that says, hey, don't wait for an ending character like a space or a tab or anything. Just go ahead and send it automatically. Also, I add this tick R at the end to enter that return. And then just so I can remember it, I start everything with a P to know for me it's a path. So it's a path to image, path to icon. It also helps me not have mishaps when I'm trying to navigate to something. But it's really handy if you're in any sort of program that has a dialog box and you're trying to navigate to a folder. Now, for ones that you use, if you didn't have a lot of them, quick access pop-up is another great way. You can put everything in there easily with a GUI, but these react very, very quickly. So this is one of the reasons why I still like this, because often I'll be working with something and I just want to add something real quickly. I can throw it in here and start, remember my hot string for it, a couple letters, and bam, I'm in business and loading stuff really quickly. So give them a try. Remember, and again, if you're not using HotStrings, stop what you're doing, start using them. They are the lowest hanging fruit for a programmer, for anybody. Sorry, not a programmer. Anybody can use them. They're so simple. I have, of course, a Udemy course on HotStrings if you're interested. There's also plenty. They're not that complicated, but if you're doing more complex things, then you want, that Udemy course maybe. All right, cheers.